In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the AMP MagnumPro pathlight. The AMP pathlight system gives you a choice of 3 interchangeable heavy cast brass tops to suit the particular tastes or preferences of your client. The AMP system also uses a standard 18-inch pathlight stem and 10-inch hammer stake for all of its pathlights, making it simple and easy to swap the styles of hats if needed. All of the universal stems come with 25 feet of lead wire attached to the fixture also. Now this pathlight is suited to properties with much more level ground where the chances of looking up into a bright bulb are really not an issue. All 3 of the AMP Pro Series pathlight tops are attached by simply threading the tops onto the base bolt. The AMP pathlights ship with a 10-inch hammer stake and can be installed in 2 ways, which I'm going to show you. The first way to install this is with a rubber mallet, basically just hammering it into the ground. And the built-in cable slot on the side makes it easy to install the pathlight stem after the stake is already hammered into place. This is great for softer ground. For heavy clay soil or areas with a lot more rock, you're going to want to use a small spade or a chisel, such as the one we're using here. I'll drive it in the ground about a foot or so and then wiggle it back and forth to open up a slot where I can simply just push my stake and fixture right directly into the ground. A gentle tamping of the soil will then help lock it in. The AMP Pro path and area lights are beautiful and are a great choice for illuminating pathways, stairs, walkways, and even floral displays around your clients' homes. For more information about the AMP Pro pathlight system, or if you would simply like to install them on your next project, give us a call or contact us at amplighting.com.